Wait. Salesforce has an AI problem? Salesforce just posted record revenue, over $11 billion this quarter, and its AI business is exploding. But here's the twist. One Wall Street analyst says the growth story still looks weak. Bank of America kept an underperform rating and warned that Salesforce's real organic growth may be slowing down, even with all the hype around AI agents and Agentforce. Meanwhile, CEO Mark Benioff says AI agents are the future of enterprise software, and Agentforce revenue has surged more than 200% year-over-year. So now investors are asking one big question. Is Salesforce truly leading the AI revolution, or just selling the dream? For more money, tech, and wealth insights, like, share, and subscribe to Money Wealth Secrets Official.